Oh no! Oh no!
What happened?
A new person is coming.
So,
I don't know what to say in English.
relax.
My mind is blank.
Don't worry. Today, we will fix this problem.
Really?
Yes, after this video, you will introduce yourself in English with confidence.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to True Fluency Channel. I'm Amalia.
And I'm Paul.
Today's lesson is very important.
Yes, we will learn how to introduce yourself in English. Step by step, slowly easy English for beginners.
After this video, you will say, I can do this.
If you like learning English in a simple way,
Like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.
okay, let's start. Main lesson, core content. We will learn introductions in 5 easy steps. 1. Say hello. 2. Say your name. 3. Say where you are from. 4. Say what you do. 5. Add something extra, optional. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Say hello. First step is easy.
Say hello.
You can say, hello, hi there. Hello, nice to meet you.
Let's practice together. Hello. Hi there.
Very good. Andrew meets a new teacher. Teacher, hello? Andrew, quiet voice. Hello. Teacher, nice to meet you. Andrew, nice to meet you too. Andrew smiles. He feels good.
See? A simple hello is powerful.
Yes, don't be scared. Just say hello. Step 2. Say your name. Now say your name.
You can say, my name is, I am.
Examples. My name is Sarah. I am John.
Let's make a short dialogue. Hello.
Hi,
My name is Amelia.
nice to meet you, Amelia. I'm James.
Simple, right?
Practice time. Repeat after me. My name is... I am...
Say your name now.
Great job. Maria is nervous. New friend. Hi, what's your name? Maria. New friend. It's okay. Maria. My name is Maria. New friend. Nice to meet you, Maria. Maria feels happy.
It's okay to be nervous.
Just speak slowly. Step 3. Say where you are from. Now let's say where you are from.
You can say, I am from Australia. I'm from Canada.
Examples. I am from the USA. I'm from the UK.
Listen to this. Hi, I'm Amelia. I'm from Australia.
Hello, I'm James. I'm from Canada.
Easy.
Practice time. Repeat. I'm from.
Say your country now.
Nice. Mini story 3. Different countries. 2 people meet online. Person 1. Hi, where are you from? Person 2. I'm from Turkey. What about you? Person 1. I'm from the UK. Person 2. Wow, nice to meet you.
English connects people.
From everywhere. Step 4. Say what you do. Now say what you do.
This means your job or study.
Use simple sentences. I am a student. I am a teacher. I work in an office. I am a shopkeeper.
Examples, I'm a student. I work as a driver. Short dialogue. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Oh, nice.
So what about you?
I'm a teacher.
Very simple. Practice time.
Repeat. I am a student. I am a teacher. I work as...
Say your answer now.
Excellent.
Step 5. Add something extra, optional. Now let's make your introduction more friendly.
You can add a hobby, your feeling. Why you learn English.
Simple examples. I like music. I like reading. I am learning English. Mini story 4. Friendly talk. 2 students meet. Student A. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from Brazil. I'm a student. Student B. Hi, Alex. I'm Lena. I'm from Egypt. I like English. Student A. Me too. They become friends.
Small details make big connections.
Yes, full introduction. Put it all together. Now listen carefully. This is a full introduction.
Hello, my name is Amelia. I'm from Australia. I'm a student. I like learning English.
Simple, clear, confident. Practice together. Repeat slowly. Hello, my name is... I like...
Now say your full introduction.
Amazing.
Now it's your turn.
Write your introduction in the comments.
Use this pattern. Hello, my name is... I'm a...
We will read your comments.
And we will reply.
Let's review today's lesson.
We learned 5 steps. 1. Say hello. 2. Say your name. 3. Say where you are from. 4. Say what you do. 5. Add something extra.
Introductions are easy.
You just need practice.
Speak slowly.
Smile.
Be confident.
Thank you for watching.
You did a great job today.
If you liked this lesson, like the video. Subscribe to the channel, comment below.
Keep practicing every day.
Your English is getting better. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.